This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to purchase and download Pro Tools. So Avid Pro Tools, I'm right here on the main download, the main purchase page right here for Pro Tools. You can find it at avid.com/pro-tools. I'll put that URL in the video description, so you can just click that and wind up here, and you don't need to go searching or anything. So there's a whole bunch of information here for Pro Tools. They don't currently have a free trial or anything like that, as far as I can see currently. You can choose your version right here. So we have Studio at $289. This is priced in euros for some reason. I'm in the UK, but well, we don't have euros here, but it's charging in euros, not dollars or pounds. There's also an artist version here for essential for music recording, MIDI composition and production. The studio version, so that's actually 99 euros right there. The studio version is the complete tool set for professional music creation, editing and mixing, and they describe this one as the most popular, as you can see right here. Then we have the ultimate version, so more expensive at 589 euros, and this is all in euros per year, I should mention. This is the advanced tool for audio post and large-scale music production, and you can see more details here, how they compare. There's sort of the comparison here. So all that's left to do is you choose which one you want right here. You know what your price is going to be per year. Actually, they do have a free trial. Okay, so they do have a free trial for the ultimate plan. So this is pay yearly and say 50%, but they do actually have a free trial here. So we'll click that in just a second. I didn't actually know that. And it's not really that well advertised, to be fair, but yeah, they got the free trial right there. So this is annual pricing, by the way. We can check out monthly pricing, so it will be more costly over the course of a year, of course. So you can pay per month, and you'll be able to cancel, I assume you'll be able to cancel on a month-to-month basis if you don't need the software anymore. They've got the free trial again for the monthly version of Ultimate. So the annual version again is saving 17% here, 30% here, and 50% here. This is the price for individuals as a student and teachers option as well, which winds up even cheaper. So the free trial, if we click on the free trial, we can start by entering our email address, and I guess you put your you'll have to put your credit card in there in order to actually get that free trial. So that's a 30-day free trial. Okay, that's pretty generous. I didn't know they had that, but if you are ready to purchase, you will literally just click add to cart. Let's say we want to go with Studio on the yearly price. There we go, 289 euros per year, absolute bargain. They've got all the upsells here. We can check out now from there. There's also coupon codes if you've got a coupon code. So that was a video on how to purchase Avid Pro Tools. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.